Hi, I'm Paul Serapusco with Optris. Today we're going to be talking about our CT series pyrometers. So experience the pinnacle and precision and speed with the Optris CT series, a standard and non-contact temperature measurement. The CT pyrometer, with its two-piece design, redefines size and accuracy. Sporting one of the tiniest infrared sensors, an impressive optic resolution of 22:1, and offering a swift exposure time down to 90 microseconds, it's tailor-made for capturing quick manufacturing processes. Conquer the extremes with the Optris CTs. Engineered to thrive in the most challenging conditions, its unparalleled temperature resistance takes center stage. With the ability to function seamlessly in ambient temperatures up to 250 Celsius without any extra cooling, it's your ultimate solution for the harshest environments. Variability meets innovation. Whether you need selectable analog outputs or a range of digital interfaces, the electronics box of the Optris CT series has you covered. Flexibility is at your fingertips, ranging from analog millivolt or milliamp outputs. You can then convert that to an RS-485 to Ethernet IP signal. Select the sensor that best works for you. The different spectral ranges of the CT series allow measurements of various materials like plastics, glass, metals, metal oxides, composite materials, and ceramics in an ultra-wide temperature range. So join the movement towards automation with the Optris CT series.